What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be episode 2 of Jay's CPI, where I'm just tracking inflation myself. Basically, I'm looking at the gas prices, as well as I picked 20 items at Walmart, and I'm doing the same gas station, the same Walmart, to look at all these different prices. Every Sunday, I'm going to check these out. So episode 1 was done last week. I will link the video here. That'll be a little bit more detailed description of the items. However, today, we'll do a pretty quick summary. Not a whole lot changes. It'd be interesting if you guys think you already know what's going to happen. Leave a comment down below if you think prices have gone up or down since last week's episode. And if you guys are following along with inflation, you know November 10th is when the next CPI data will come out, the next official documents. And basically, from what I think, the market right now is moving up the last week or so. We'll look at the markets in a minute here, but they've all been going up, and I think people are trying to price in a potential, like 6 months from now, maybe the Fed's gonna like either pause or like maybe either do less aggressive rate hikes, so like maybe only 25 basis points, or they'll do a pause where there's no rate hikes or decreases, or potentially go down. So just anything less aggressive in like 6 months. I think the market is really trying to price that in. People don't want to be the last ones in for that. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jay. I love talking about personal finances, investing in the stock market, trying to retire early, as well as staying out of debt. Please consider subscribing down below. I'm trying to build a small community here. Please smash the like button. Leave a comment down below if you guys think that that CPI is going to go up or down by November 10th. So real quick, we'll go over the markets here. You can see the Dow Jones was up 3.11% over the last 5 trading days. The Dow Jones is the 30 largest companies in the US, basically like blue chip companies. You can see here I have the S&P 500 pulled up now. That is up 2.29% over the last 5 trading days. And that's like the 500 biggest companies in the US. And next you can see here I have the NASDAQ pulled up. That is up 2.11%, and that's like an information technology, a lot like big heavy tech. And last but not least, we have the Russell 2000. That's the 2000. They're like smaller companies, not quite like penny stocks, but anyway, smaller companies in the market. And you can see the Russell is up 0.75% in the last 5 days. Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index, you can see we actually just moved into neutral, so we're at a 45 rating. Last week we were in extreme fear at 21. And here we have the AAII sentiment here, and you can see we're at negative 34. Last week we're at negative 36, so that's also getting into a, quote, better sentiment by just a little bit. So you can see here with my very basic but effective sheet here, gas has actually come down this week down here. So just to throw this out there, the governor of Florida has lifted the gas tax right now for this month. So I don't know how long this will last. But anyway, you can see we're down basically 2 cents a gallon. That's on 87, 89, and 92. Diesel has stayed the same though. And the diesel price might actually be more important for the rest of the consumer stuff, like things being delivered to stores might be charged more, buying stuff out to eat, all that type of stuff might be affected more by diesel. Anyway, no change on diesel and 2 cents down on all the other stuff. And just for those that have not seen the other video, real quick, so 2 liter of Coke was $2.48, that's not changed. Sara Lee butter bread loaf was $2.48, also no change. Farmhouse 18 packs of cage-free eggs was $4.26. A pound of long grain rice, which was great value, brand, was 82 cents. A pound of red onions was $1.18, no change. Pound of beef, 93.7, was $5.76, no change. Bananas, 58 cents, no change. Cheerios family size, no change. 2% milk, no change. Next is the only change on the entire list, and it was actually Gain laundry detergent, 64 loads, and it actually went down by $1. So last week it was $10.94, this week it is $9.94. Toilet paper, Angel Soft, was $8.44. We have trash bags, the 40 count 13 gallons was $6.88. Crest toothpaste with scope was $2.62. Tylenol 325 milligrams, 100 tabs, $7.63. Crayons 24 pack classic was $1.44. The coffee maker was $21.44. Insulated tumbler, which is like a Yeti, but like a Walmart brand one, $14.98. Diapers Love size 7 was $18.47. Some candles, $12.87, and a 6-pack of Hanes white tagless t-shirts, $18.98. So for our grand totals, I know it's nothing crazy. I'm surprised that one item actually went down by $1 and gas actually got cheaper. So based on that 1 week to 1 week comparison, inflation does seem to be going down. Whether that would actually count for anything, I don't know. But anyway, it's not going up, that's for sure. at least not around my area. So 10 gallons of gas last week was $30.89. Here, this week is $30.69. Items not including the gas. So what I did was I bought one item of everything this without including gas. Last week was $150.85. This week's $149.85. So we saved $1. And then what I did was I decided to buy 10 gallons of 87 octane gas and buy one each item of on the grocery list or the goods list from Walmart. And last week was $181.74, and this week was $180.54. So we saved $1.20 from last week. If you guys are still with me, please consider subscribing to the channel. Go and smash the like button. Leave a comment down below if you thought that was interesting. I know it's kind of quick. No need to take too much time going through those numbers. I do expect a lot of volatility this week in the stock market, a lot of red and green. We got a lot of companies going through earnings this week, so just hang in there, stick with your normal plan you got, and I think that we'll end up with a little Santa Claus rally here coming up through the last couple months here. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.